Hi, in this Unity tutorial, I'm just going to go over the most basic keyframe animation in Unity. So first I'm going to have a scene here and I'm going to add a plane. Oh, there we go. And just put the floor texture on there. And let me just give that floor texture some depth. So I'm going to Control D to duplicate. On this second one, I'm going to make it a normal. This isn't part of the animation. I'm just doing this for niceties. And for the material of the floor, just going to add that normal map. Just make the bricks have some depth to them. Okay. All right, now for the thing I'm going to animate, I'm just going to add a simple cube. Okay. And let me just pick it up off the ground. And first thing I have to do is use an animation window. So I have it open here, but if I didn't have it open, I could go up to Window, Animation, and it's the animation window. Boom. And by default, I guess it opens up for you. And I just docked mine over here. All right, so now I'm going to create an animation. So I'm going to save it with a name to my games folder. I'll just call it Animal 1. Okay. 01. Enter. And now I have the little keyframes here that I could do the animation with. So I'm just going to press the record button. And by this time here, I'll have it be in this position. And then go to another time increment over here. Another time increment over here. And another time increment over here. And maybe I'll make it go up just to show I could do that too. And then what I'll do is I'll copy the last. So I kind of like highlighted this here and then I press Control C. And then over here, I'll press Control V so that it kind of loops back into place. So now with this, I could also just use the mouse up here to see the motions that the animation would go through. Okay. Or I could press play and it's going really fast. So maybe I don't want it to be so fast. So here in the animation window, I'll press Control and the mouse wheel to kind of zoom out. And then I'll select all of them. And I have these little blue bars here. And I'll stretch out the animation to last longer. And now I can press play. And the animation goes a little bit slower. So I can animate the position. But that is not all. I can also animate things like rotation. So say I'm at this keyframe over here, I could just rotate it and then I could go to this keyframe here, any random keyframe, and do another rotation and maybe just one more rotation on the Z. Okay. And then whatever I do, let me just make sure I copy again. So I kind of loop, Control C, and then I'm going to come onto this one here and actually Control V to paste it. And did it paste right here instead? I'll just put that there. Now I could press play. So I have rotations happening and translations. Let me also, so I did rotation, translation, and you see everything that's been animated, values that are changing, it turns red. I'm in the record mode here. Let me now add in some type of animation for size. So I'm going to kind of come here in the middle and I'm going to increase the scale to this big. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll just copy and paste and paste, Control V, scale so it goes back to the same size. And let's see, it gets bigger and it gets smaller. So you can see I've animated all the different transforms. And what else could I animate about it? I think basically I can animate all different properties here. So let's go back to this position. And let's go right here at the top and let's see if I could change the material color. So right now it's white. And at this position, I think I'll have it be red. Yep, and see it adds a transform over here for the red. And that means at the first position, is it white? It goes red, and then it goes back to, well, if I want it to go back to white, I'm gonna have to copy it. Control C, and then right here, okay, Control V. No, right here, buddy. So let's see, now we got, so you can see we can animate a couple of different things, including color, and anything else we wanted to animate. So basically that's the way the keyframe animations works. Okay. But don't forget this animation has been created and then it is saved right here, animal 1. And it says it doesn't have a model to preview it, so I put that there. And you can see how the animation looks when it's playing. And this is the animator controller for that cube. So right now, for any object to have an animation, it has to have an animation controller. So the animation, here's the animation controller for the cube, and there's one animation. And now I could make a different animation for it. Let's see. But I'll do that in the next video. Okay.